How to link PayPal with Wix Store. In order to do that, you just need to go over to the payment settings. Just head over first to the settings option right here, and it should be able to show you this one. For this one, click on this accept payments option. And then once you have clicked on it, it will show up this PayPal option. So it first needs to verify your business location. So just choose a business location right here. Now, from there, you can see PayPal. So in order to link it, you can just click on this connect option. And then in here, it is instruction. You just need to enter in here your account information of your PayPal. And then after that, just head over and click on connect. So for example, for this one, I'll head over and then add in here my email. After that, click on this connect option. And then it will connect with the provider wherein you just need to log into this redirected window for your PayPal. So that's how you link PayPal with Big Store. Hope you helped.